Every time those brilliant wings spread out, we seem to be lost in a vivid picture. Where each feather shines like a precious gem under the sunlight. Not only is it a symbol of royalty and luck, but the peacock also captivates many people with its charm and magical attraction. But is raising this magnificent bird as simple as we think? Let's step into the world of peacocks and discover the mysteries behind that extraordinary beauty. With the majestic beauty of this bird, it cannot be kept in a normal cage. It is a spacious, quiet, and close-to-nature place, with a roof to avoid rain and sun, but still receive enough natural light. Create conditions for them to move freely and show off their beauty. Or keep them in a garden with soft grass, tall trees for perching, and hiding areas for a sense of security. When raising peacocks in flocks, the space must be spacious. Raising a flock of 5 to 10 peacocks should have a minimum area of 100 square meters, with a high perch such as a tree branch or a sturdy wooden frame. The ideal ratio is 1 male accompanied by 3 to 5 females to avoid conflicts. Food and water troughs are placed scattered to avoid competition. The unique feature of the peacock is that the male peacock has a brilliant plumage, in contrast to many other species. This is the result of sexual selection, a special evolutionary mechanism, like a natural masterpiece, shimmering in blue, emerald, and gold under the sunlight. The round, brilliant feather eyes are like precious gems and create a mysterious and proud beauty. When the peacock spreads its tail, each feather vibrates gently, making a rustling sound, like a mesmerizing dance of color and light. Peacock's diet is quite diverse. They like to eat seeds and grains such as corn, rice, and beans, along with green vegetables or insects and earthworms to provide protein. In the natural environment, they often forage for food under trees or on the ground. Peacocks attract mates by spreading their tails into a magnificent fan, showing off their brilliant iridescent feather eyes, making rustling sounds and strolling around the female peacock to show their strength. If the peahen is attracted, she will approach, observe, and make a choice. After mating, the female peahen finds a quiet place to nest on the ground, usually in a bush or a secluded area. Each time, the female lays about 3 to 6 eggs, incubating them for about 26 to 30 days before hatching. When newly hatched, peacocks have gray-brown feathers that help camouflage them, and they learn how to forage and survive from their mothers. After 6 months, male and female peacocks begin to differentiate, with the male peacocks gradually developing blue and copper hues. It takes 2 to 3 years for the colorful plumage to fully develop, marking maturity and readiness to attract a mate. From a simple bird, the male peacock transforms into a proud symbol with enchanting beauty. In economics, peacocks are raised to provide decorative feathers, to make fans, to make fashion accessories, or to be used in art. Many farms have developed models for raising commercial peacocks, semi-breeding peacocks, and ornamental peacocks with high economic value. Thanks for watching. See you again. See you.